Hi everyone, here we've got a WIKO View 3 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. As you can see here we've got a backup option, so let's enter. And right now the backup to Google Drive option is obviously turned on because we've got this account option, but if you will have it turned off then you will be able to check those info, so just make sure that you will turn it on just by tapping on this switcher, and then let's tap on account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and you will receive all the info. Just tap on, for example, Privacy Policy. As you can see, it's quite hard for me. I've got a hard time. So let's tap on Close and tap on I agree after reading everything. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so here your device is telling you that it will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So let's tap on accept. And here we've got actually the same info. Here we've got listed all the items, all the things that will be backed up. So just tap on OK. And as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device, so it means that from now on all the content will be stored on the Google Drive. What's more, here you can decide where you want to backup. So right now we've got the option turned on, so your device will use only the Wi-Fi in order to backup content, but if you will turn it off, then it will also backup using your mobile data. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your WIKO View 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.